Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Carroll County in north central Maryland, northeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland until 1:15 p.m. At 7:18 a.m., stream gauges indicate flooding is occurring on Big Pine Creek near the Frederick and Carroll County border. This water will also create rises on the upper Monocacy in northern Frederick County, which could cause flooding as well. Some locations that may experience flooding include Tanatown, Union Bridge, Harney, Rocky Ridge, Detour, New Midway, Ladysburg, Kaysville, and Kemmer. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.